Attention, do not play this video over the air. No ponga este video en la radio.
Good morning, everyone. I am so happy to see you all again, and on such a historic day too. Now, in just a minute here, we'll be starting everything up and getting this show on the road. Remember, you all are making history today with the first activation of the brand new gamma ray burst reactor. Just don't spill your coffee on the control panel or something. Installation guy did that, and we had to spend so much money on a new panel.
Attention, gamma ray burst reactor startup sequence activated. Redirecting facility power. Success. Releasing fuel mixture. Success. Activating magnetic reaction confinement units. Success. Activating high-power neutron firing units. Success. Activating miscellaneous systems. Success. Redirecting facility power. Success. Gamma ray burst reactor online.
It's been clear for a while Nortel wasn't going to hit their targets, thanks to Intertek's recent breakthroughs in telecommunications. But this correction is really something though. Their shares aren't just going to make less money, but they will be a full 16 cents in the red. Now that might not sound like much, but in far less extreme cases of this, such as with IBM in 1981, the company lost a whopping 40% of all of its share value. Experts are saying that when the stock markets open at 9:30 Eastern time this morning, there won't be enough red ink in the world to show how much money Nortel loses.
Curse this stupid control panel.
Warning, avalanche thermal power high. Lower avalanche thermal
I'm trying.
power to below 80%. Warning, temperature climb rate high. Lower temperature climb rate to
This
below
thing has a trip button, right?
250
How do we trip the reactor?
Celsius per minute.
Go find a supervisor. I'll keep trying to get these knobs unstuck.
You better. I'm going to kill you when we fix this.
Good morning, everyone. This morning we have got quite the story for you. Northern Telecom, a prominent Canadian telecommunications company, has reported that their earnings per share are going to be
Danger, avalanche thermal power high. Lower avalanche thermal power to below 100%. Danger, boiler
Oh,
one
how
level
long is it
low.
going to take for her to find a
Boiler
supervisor?
2 level low.
This thing is near this close to turning into a burning puddle.
Danger, heat at 1 temperature high. Lower heat at 1 temperature to below 2,250 degrees Celsius.
In other news, the construction at the Innotek Oklahoma City Research Facility, now the Innotek Reactor Research Center, finished up just 3 days ago. The new additions to the facility include a new testing area, several new floors underground, a visitor center, and the hotly debated gamma ray burst reactor. Despite the incredible controversy around its construction, it's done and online. Today will mark the first day of testing, which seems to be going well so far, as testing began around 6:30 this morning. Their visitor center, where you can see this new engineering marvel, as well as some of Inotech's other new tests, opened just a few minutes ago at 8 a.m. While we aren't sponsored by Inotech, I gotta say, they are doing amazing things down there. Now with that out of the way, let's get into today's weather. The high today is going to be around just 60 degrees, which is definitely a bit colder than normal. But the real cold is coming with the low, which is going to be close to 44 degrees. At those temperatures, going outside right now might just frost your tips for free. Unfortunately, despite the absolutely lovely temperatures outside, today won't be a very good day for tanning, with clouds.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. A disaster of unknown type and severity has taken place at the Inotech Reactor Research Center. This disaster has the potential to release hazardous materials into the surrounding area. All residents of Oklahoma County are to stay indoors until an all clear has been given. If you are in a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest shelter when possible. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.
Hey Lisa, what was that all about?
I don't know.
What do you mean, I don't know? What did the alert say?
All it said was some unknown disaster occurred at that new research center. It was really vague.
Well, that's not good. I wonder if it has anything to do with the new reactor.
Got the supervisor.
Took you long enough.
Danger. A code red has been issued for Inotech Reactor Research Center. Inotech.
All right, where do I need to scan my card?
Right there.
Got it.
Dr. Jonathan Quinn. All visitors and personnel are to evacuate to the bunker level at once.
Wait, what's the bunker level? We have a bunker?
I guess so.
Is it supposed to be super delayed like this?
Why isn't the button doing anything? Or are you fuck?
We are still missing many key details about the cryptic alert a few minutes ago, but we have managed to get a hold of someone from Inotech who can hopefully give us... Okay, geez, tell me, what's going on? It's what? Okay, Jesus, oh God, oh no. Okay, everyone, I don't mean to alarm y'all, but the gamma-ray burst reactor we were praising as the energy of the future just a minute ago is experiencing, as they put it, an explosive thermal runaway event. It is expected that the gamma-ray burst reactor will explode, ending the future of everything.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma. At 8:04 a.m., a request for evacuation was received from operators at the Inotech Reactor Research Center. A disaster of extreme severity at the Inotech Reactor Research Center poses an extreme risk of loss of life and property within Oklahoma County, Canadian County, and Cleveland County in central Oklahoma. All residents of the listed counties are to evacuate at once to unaffected counties to prevent loss of life. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.
Okay, so we are going to figure out what to do about this. Enjoy some music in the meantime, I guess.
say about the situation right now is yikes. We're not even anywhere near the city center, and it still looks like a war zone outside. I've never seen so many people on the road at once. That evacuation order honestly might have doomed more people than it saves. If this was less serious, I'd see if I couldn't pop on over to the research facility to see what's going on. They have not elaborated on that. It's not a tornado though. Why are they running the sirens for an evacuation?
3.5 megatons. That's how big the explosion is going to be. For reference, the nuclear weapons that we used on Japan 50 years ago were only around 20 kilotons. Those bombs absolutely leveled Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and that reactor's explosion is expected to be well over 150 times as powerful. Honestly, forget taking anything with you. Just get in your car and drive as fast as you can, as far as you can, away from that place if you're anywhere near it. If you're farther out in the city like us, get to the most interior room of the building you're in. If you've got a basement, get there. Same thing for a tornado shelter. We here at WITC Radio will be going to our own tornado shelter here right now actually. We will be back on the air in just a moment. All right, we're back. So yeah, now we wait, I guess. On the bright side, we have some emergency equipment in here, so we'll probably be able to broadcast even after the explosion.
Breaking news, there is peril in Oklahoma City after what should have been a simple test of a new reactor went terribly wrong, now putting the entire city.
The following message is being broadcast at the request of the Oklahoma Office of the Governor. A state of emergency has been issued for Oklahoma following the announcement of a disaster of extreme severity at the Inotech Reactor Research Center in Oklahoma City. This disaster poses an extreme threat of loss of life and property within the state of Oklahoma, especially to residents in the following counties: Oklahoma County, Cleveland County, Canadian County. All residents within the state of Oklahoma are to head to shelter. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter immediately. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.
That bad? Oh dear. I'm calling Michael.
Hello?
Michael, it's me. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay for now.
What is this event like so close to the research center?
What?
Can you tell our listeners what it's like in Oklahoma City right now?
Sarah, is this why you called me? This is such a stupid reason.
Well, excuse me for trying to inform the people here in Tulsa.
You know what? You are excused. Pack up your things and get out of that office. You're fired.
You wouldn't dare.
Oh, yes, I would, because all you do is seek attention.
Bold words coming from you.
Oh, don't even. Every single person in this small metal box can vouch for me.
What a shocker. It's the same way here.
Lies.
Honestly, I'm so done with you.
So am I. Now pack your things. Chop, chop.
I hope you all die trapped in that metal prison.
You can go.
Go on commercial break.
Honestly, the audacity of her. Anyways, as the alert a minute ago said, all of Oklahoma is under a state of emergency. Looking at the issuers, it looks like this just keeps trickling up the chain of command. First civil authorities, next emergency management, now the governor. What's next? The president.
imminent explosion in downtown Oklahoma City will destroy most electronics. To try and keep your electronics working, please power them completely off until the shockwave passes you. This will minimize the odds of your electronics failing, which may allow you to keep receiving messages via radio on 1640 kHz AM from the remaining government services for as long as possible. We wish all of our residents good luck. God bless America. I just want to say, I'm sorry.
We don't have much time left, so with what time we do have, I would like to wish anyone still listening the best of luck with surviving in what will remain of Oklahoma City. Oh, dear God, whom art in heaven, please have mercy on us all in this time of need.
Amen.
Amen.
Holy shit, is that the mushroom cloud? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. We might be done for. It exploded all of 5 minutes ago. How is the mushroom cloud already that...
This is an emergency action notification. The station has interrupted its programming at the request of the White House. The United States of America has had a large and catastrophic explosion of at least 3.5 megatons occur in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
Tragic turn of events.
Reactor d'expression de rayos gamma. Énergie du futur a explosé avec une force de 3,5.
Explosion occurred in relation to the testing of an experimental reactor present within the city. The nature of this experimental reactor, high amounts of radiation will be released out of the Now speaking. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait.
Hello there. It is with much dismay that I am having to address you on such a solemn note today. Just 5 minutes ago, we have had a large and unprecedented explosion rock the nation. While many details regarding this unfolding tragedy are still unclear, one thing is, we will not let this stop us. We will help those in need and build back better, build back stronger. God bless America, and may He be with us all in these trying times.
The President has now spoken. In response,
Está se espalhando pelos Estados Unidos. O que pode...
radiation hazard teams will be dispatched to the major cities downwind of this explosion. For radiation hazard information in your local area, call 800-695-7403 or visit the nearest radiation hazard team office. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.
Еще сотни тысяч смертей. Боже благослови Америку.
Deus abençoe os Estados Unidos.
Barakallahu fi Amerika.
Dio benedica l'America.
Gott segne Amerika.
Que Dieu bénisse l'Amérique.
上帝保佑美国。
Dios bendiga América.
God bless America.